Crosse Alerts Temperature Monitor and Alert Kit. Use your smartphone, tablet, or computer to remotely monitor temperature and humidity levels that affect your home, business, or vacation rentals. Prevent freezer burn, food spoilage, and mold. Monitor indoor temperature and humidity with the sensor in your refrigerator, freezer, or food storage with the 6 feet detachable dry probe. Add multiple sensors for other areas. Receive text, email, and/or app notifications when min/max levels are exceeded, when the connection is lost, or if the batteries are weak. Crosse Alerts Mobile, your home's homepage. Monitor remotely while you're away from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Check up on your personal Crosse Alerts mobile account with the new and improved, easy-to-use mobile app and have the freedom to view your system's current readings or any readings from the last 24 hours. Download your history logs, and change alert settings anytime, anywhere. Gain peace of mind and protection with this easy and affordable system. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Applications. From your basement temperature to your attic moisture, you can utilize the sensors and probes almost anywhere. With a wide variety of applications, you can monitor and protect indoor, outdoor, almost anywhere, homes, vacation spots, businesses, and rental properties. Outdoor patio, basement den, greenhouse, or terrariums with so many more options. Location is what it's all about, and we have plenty of those where you can put your sensors, probes. Add up to 5 sensors, sold separately, per internet gateway. Number 2. Early warning alerts. Early warning text or email and/or app notifications save time and money while creating peace of mind with prevention and early detection. Receive alerts remotely when your customized min/max temperature or humidity levels are exceeded, when the connection is lost, and when batteries are weak. Number 3. 2 temperature readings, main sensor and probe. Number 4. A dry probe monitors the temperature of dry soil or air. Number 5. View current readings at the main sensor display or online. Number 6. Set min/max temp or humidity levels to receive email or text alerts. Number 7. The expandable system supports up to 5 main sensors in total. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.